This is a Fox News alert on a deadly winter storm and moving in and impacting millions of Americans. The same storm system that killed dozens of people in the last week, it is now barreling east. It has dropped ice and heavy snow over much of the central states, caused massive flooding and hundreds of flight cancellations, all during one of the busiest travel times of the year. This is Outnumbered. I'm Melissa Francis, here today from the Fox Business Network. Elizabeth MacDonald, EMAC we like to call her. Jedediah Bila is with us as well. National Review columnist Katherine Timpf, and today's hashtag One Lucky Guy. We welcome back the former senator from the great state of Massachusetts, Senator Scott Brown, and he is outnumbered.
Yay.
Uh-oh.
Lucky me.
I like that, the great state of Massachusetts. Can you call it anything else?
Listen, it's a great state. It is a great state, and people there are wonderful. And it's great to see each and every one of you, and happy almost New Year to everybody.
There you go.
There you go.
All right, numerous winter storm warnings and advisories are in effect right now in parts of the country. As this storm that we are tracking moves across the Great Lakes, it is dumping a mixture of snow and sleet and freezing rain. And one of the big concerns, of course, is icy roads. Let's bring in meteorologist Janice Dean. Janice, tell us more about the storm.
You know, we were watching that flooding video that we received earlier on today, and that is kind of the moral of this storm right now. Even though the storm is exiting the northeast, we have rivers and streams out of their banks right now across the Mississippi and the Missouri River Valley. 50 miles south of St. Louis is where we have water out of the river banks. So this is one of the regions that we are watching, and this scenario is unfolding all across the Midwest today. So even though this storm is exiting, it's almost over, the threat continues for flooding well into the rest of this week and into the weekend. So I just want to point that out. Flash flood watches and warnings are posted for many states across the Midwest. And that's going to be one of the legacies of this storm, including the record-setting tornadoes that we saw 8 days in a row. So there's the last 48 hours. You can see that storm winding up, bringing snow, sleet, freezing rain, you name it, we had it. We've got the frontal boundary still draped across portions of the southeast. Ahead of it, warmer than average temperatures. Behind it, the cooler than average temperatures that are settling in. So across the northeast, we had a treacherous commute this morning for parts of the northeast up towards New England. They are getting the jackpot of snowfall totals across northern New England with over a foot, perhaps 2 feet of snow. And then as we settle into Thursday and Friday, a much quieter weather pattern, which we will welcome, of course. The forecast precipitation over the next couple of days, we're still going to see rain along that frontal boundary. No severe storms, though, which is great. And then, of course, we're going to see the potential for a foot or more of snow for the ski resorts for the new year. Okay, forecast highs for Tuesday, still very warm across the southeast, but as we head into Wednesday and Thursday, we'll start to moderate these temperatures. And really, as we head into the weekend, a much quieter zonal weather pattern, which is what we like to see. A quick look at your forecast for New Year's Eve. Of course, our big New Year's special with Kimberly Guilfoyle and Eric Bowling, looking good across much of the country. The only area that we could see some showers and thunderstorms is along the Gulf Coast. And for New York City, nice temperatures, 40 degrees with mostly clear skies. Back to you, ladies and Senator.
All right. Thank you so much.
Of course.